Let's oven grill some quick and delicious mackerel for our spinach or kontomire stew. This recipe is so simple, fast, and absolutely flavorful, and I promise you're gonna love it. I actually finished 2 pieces before I even realized it. That's how good it is. So if this sounds like a kind of vibe, then please sit back, relax, and then enjoy the process. Thank you. Since we are using this for stew, I'm starting off by cutting the mackerel into smaller pieces, and I cut each one into about 5 pieces. For this recipe, I'm using like 3 big mackerels, just so you know. So right after cutting, I'll just go ahead and remove the internal organs. Yes, just like I'm showing you in the video, and I'll clean the rest off camera. But if you prefer, you can just leave it in, and that's okay. So this is how clean it looks after everything is removed. I'll just go ahead and sprinkle a bit of lemon juice over the fish to help remove any of aroma. Mackerel is actually very easy to clean, and you don't need to stress at all. So when I'm done, I'll just add a little water and I'll let this sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll wash it off camera. Yes. Once this mackerel is thoroughly washed, I'll just go ahead and dry it with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture, just like you've seen in the video. We don't want any moisture in this. When I'm done, I'll just move on to season the mackerel. And like I said earlier, you don't need too much seasoning for this grilled mackerel. You can just use plain salt and then you're good. And there are moments I just grilled it without adding any salt and it was still perfect. For this recipe, I just want a well-seasoned, flavor-packed grilled mackerel for my stew, like I said earlier. So I'm just adding tablespoon each of ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, fish seasoning, a pinch of salt, and then powdered pepper. I added a tablespoon each of everything except the salt and then the powdered pepper. When I'm done, I'll just drizzle some oil on top and then I'll begin mixing beautifully until it looks good, or until each piece is beautifully coated or fully coated. When I'm done, I'll just let this marinate for like 10 minutes because I was in a hurry. After that, I'll just line them beautifully or nicely on my baking tray, and we are ready for oven grilling. Like I said, it's very easy. You don't even need to do too much, and then you're good. Now it's time for grilling. My oven was already preheated to 160 degrees, and I grilled this mackerel for like 20 to 25 minutes. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all your love and then support. I really don't take it for granted. So this is how it looks after 25 minutes. Akono ankasa. If you want yours a bit crunchier, just feel free to grill for a few more minutes and then you're good. And since I'm using mine for stew, I just love it this way. I lined them beautifully on my tray, and at this stage, 2 pieces were gone already. It was so good, so good. You know I can't leave without showing you how good it looks on the inside. Akono ankasa. You know you can even pair this with some hot banku or some kenke. That's how good this is. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoyed watching, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and then share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. And I'll be showing you a detailed recipe on the kontomire stew, so you just wait, okay? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and check out other vlogmas recipes on the channel. You don't want to miss that as well. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, have a blissful, beautiful week. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.